Congress observer Digvijay Singh has appealed to independent MLA Vijay Sardesai to join the Congress party rather than talking about Gathbandhan. Regarding Churchill Alamau, he has however left the decision to the High Command. Congress plans to declare its candidates this time by September, much before the Assembly election is announced. Independent Fathorda MLA Vijay Sardesai has taken initiative in forming a regional party Goa Forward. At the same time, he has appealed to the Congress to come forward to form a grand alliance to defeat the BJP. Instead of this, Digvijay Singh feels Vijay should join back the Congress and strengthen the party.
Well, as far as Goa Forward is concerned, the prime mover is of course our dear friend Vijay Sardesai, and he is a good personal friend, and I have been requesting him to come back to the Congress party, and of course this is for him to decide. As far as we are concerned, we have nothing against him, but then the Mahagathbandhan or a grand alliance of that kind, I don't see that being there in the near future.
But the same approach Digvijay Singh is not adopting to readmit former Congress Minister Churchill Alamau. He says that the High Command would decide about his homecoming only after he comes clean on the cases Churchill is facing.
Because of the case that he has against him, where he has been charge-sheeted, at the moment, neither he has applied nor has he indicated. He did meet me, so I have asked him to first ensure he or she has to return. If the Congress and the person has been an ex-MLA or ex-member of Parliament, the clearance has to be taken from the Congress President.
Singh has also assured that distribution of party tickets would be done in a transparent manner. Unlike in the past, the Congress plans to declare its candidates by September, much before the Assembly election is announced.
We are starting the process of selection of candidates. The block Congress committees will be talking to all their constituents, also the Congress workers, and suggesting the name, not more than 3 from a constituency, and that will be then discussed in the district, and after that it will come to the Pradesh Election Committee. So therefore the consultation process of selection of candidates should be over by August-September.
The Congress on Wednesday evening took out a Mashal March in Panji, protesting against the misrule of BJP government and opposing the casinos. The Congress leaders also criticized Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar.
आपको कहा था इलीगल माइनिंग बंद करेंगे, इलीगल माइनिंग क्या, इन्होंने पूरी माइनिंग ही बंद कर दी, जिसकी वजह से लोगों को रोजगार तो नहीं मिला, बेरोजगार और हो गए लोग। 22 तारीख को एक और नौटंकी करने वाला नेता आपके बीच में आ रहा है, अरविंद केजरीवाल। ये मोदी से भी बड़ा नौटंकीबाज है, कहता कुछ है करता कुछ है। जिसने इनको कुर्सी पे बिठाया उनको सबको अलग कर दिया। अब अन्ना हजारे कहाँ है, जरा केजरीवाल जी बता दीजिए, अन्ना हजारे कहाँ गए? सुपर चीफ मिनिस्टर मनोहर पर्रिकर जी बने हुए हैं, और इनकी हालत दिल्ली में ये है कि इनको रक्षा मंत्रालय की कोई जवाबदारी नहीं है। वो सारी जवाबदारी जिम्मेदारी नरेंद्र मोदी जी के हाथ में है।
Senior reporter Kenzil Rodrigues and reporter Rishikesh Kadam with video journalist Irshad Sheikh and Sham Chari in